the whole universe in a drop of blood, starting from your finger down to atoms you can't even imagine. That tiny red bead looks like a simple liquid, but it's actually a biological superhighway carrying every breath you take and every meal you've eaten. Let's zoom in. In just one tiny drop of blood, there are about 5 million red blood cells. If you lined up all the blood vessels in your body, they would wrap around the earth twice. You are now swimming in a golden yellow fluid. Huge, rubbery red discs, which are red blood cells, are rushing past you like high-speed inner tubes. Now you might ask yourself, what are red blood cells? Red blood cells are like pancake-shaped little cells with actually no genetic material that carry the protein hemoglobin to your lungs, which is oxygen. Notice there is no nucleus. The cell sacrificed its own quote-unquote brain and the ability to reproduce just to make more room to carry cargo. Now let's sink through the cell membrane into the interior, which is packed with 270 million copies of a single protein, hemoglobin. It looks like a tangled mess of 4 ribbon-like chains. This is the shipping container of the body. In the center of each ribbon is a special seat called a heme group. This is where the magic happens. The heme group is essentially the bucket that carries the oxygen. Without this specific structure, your blood would just be salty water and you'd suffocate in seconds. Let's take one more deep dive into the center of the heme group. This iron atom is the reason your blood is red. When you inhale, an oxygen molecule flies in and rusts the iron momentarily. That chemical bond is what holds the oxygen in place while your blood travels from your lungs to your pinky toe. The reason some people say when they have low iron, like they're dizzy, is because it leads to reduced oxygen delivery to the brain. Because without enough iron, the body cannot produce sufficient hemoglobin, which is the protein that transports oxygen. And that results in lightheadedness, fatigue, and potential fainting. Here's the part that's going to blow your mind. This iron wasn't made in your body, nor was it passed on through genes and your parents. It was forged inside a dying star billions of years ago. You were literally powered by starlight trapped in your veins, the same starlight since the beginning of the universe. Now, let's rewind from the atom to the universe.